Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. Do you have a folder where you keep all your important files? Maybe it is a folder with your work files or your personal photos and videos. Whatever it is, you probably want to make sure that it's backed up, no? And not just any backup but a live backup. That means that any changes you make to the master folder will automatically be replicated to the backup folder. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to sync two folders in Windows using a batch file. Okay, so let's get started. Suppose this is the folder I have in my desktop where I kept all my important files, folders, documents over here. I'm used to work on this folder every day, and now I want to make this folder a backup so that if anything happen in this folder, I will get back all my files from those backup folders. So that I need to copy this folder to another location. Okay, so first we need to copy this, and suppose I'm going to paste it over here and make it a name of backup of important folder. Okay, so I need to close this. So now what I'm going to do, I'm to open a notepad. Okay, so first you have to write @echo-off. Then we have to make one command, ROBOCOPY. Okay, so let's add the ROBOCOPY command to the base file. This command will copy any missing or updated files from the source folder to the destination folder and mirror the changes. Okay, so first we have to write ROBOCOPY. Now we need to copy the source folder. So this is our source folder, no? So if you right click on it, you can't copy the path from here. So for that you have to press on shift folder on your keyboard and right click on the source folder. Now you will find copy as path. Just click on this, and we need to open the notepad again, and here you have to paste it as a source folder. Now we have to make one space. Now we are going to copy the destination folder path the same way. Okay, this is my destination folder where I kept the backup of this file. Here the same way you have to press shift on keyboard and right click on this folder, and from here you have to click on copy as path. So that, and now here you have to paste it. Now you have to press on space bar, then press on / and E on keyboard. E means copies directories and subdirectories, including all empty ones. Okay, again we have to press on space bar, again / and Z. Z means copies files even there isn't any interruption. Okay, now once again space / and we have to write COPYALL. COPYALL means it copies all the files information including attributes, timestamps or any settings. Okay, then once again space / and you have to write PURGE. PURGE means delete any files in the destination folder that do not exist in the source folder. Okay, after that once again press on space / and now you have to write MIR, means mirror. That means it's completely mirrored the source directory. Okay, so after adding the ROBOCOPY command, now we have to save the base file. So for that you have to click on file, now click on save. Where I'm going to save it, I'm going to save it in the desktop, and you have to name it whatever the name you want. Suppose I'm going to name it sync, and make sure you have to type .bat extension over here. Okay, and now click on save, and now we need to close this notepad. One sync batch file is already been created. So now what I'm going to do, now we are going to check it. So how you can check? Suppose this is the folder where I kept all my important files. Now I am to, here you will find one notes. No? You have to just open it, and here you will find please subscribe to my channel, it's written over here. If I add something over here, suppose I have to add, save it, and you have to save this file. And now I am going to copy another files. Suppose this is the file I need to copy, and you have to paste it in my source folder. Paste it. Okay, so let's check So now I need to close this folder. Now we can double click on the batch file to run it, and synchronized process will begin. Okay. Sometimes if you double click on the sync batch file, it won't work. So in that case, what you will do, you have to just right click over here and click on run as administrator. So now we are going to check it. This is my destination folder. Now check, it's already been synced. Open the notepad and you will find tag info card that I have already just written in my source file. It will already replicated in my destination folder. Okay, in the same way, we have already added one Word documents in my source folder. It will automatically sync to our destination folder. I will keep it side by side. This is my source folder, this is my destination folder. So now I am going to delete this doc file. Okay, and now I am going to once again right click on the sync batch file and click on run as administrator. Now see, from the destinations folder the doc file is already been deleted. That means both the folder are synced. So that means that any changes you make to the master folder will automatically be replicated to the backup folder. Okay, so that you will keep your folder safe. In future, if anything happen in your source folder, you will directly get those files from your destination folder. That's how you can sync two folders in Windows using a batch file and replicate changes to the backup folder. I hope this video was helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more video like this. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.